Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and the name of my channel is PRgrl for Puerto Rican girl. I hope that everyone is doing well and safe. In today's video, I will be sharing with you two new Pandora items to my collection. One of them is a present that my mother gifted to me for Mother's Day this year 2024. And the other one is gonna be an item that I bought exclusively from the Disney Parks in Hong Kong with the help of a dear Pandora sister whose name is Disney Pandora Lover. That's her Instagram name. Her name is Poppy. So yeah, I'm so excited for this. I'm gonna start first showing you my mom's present. It was something that really caught me by surprise, but I was so happy and excited. She told me that she had something similar to this when she was young that her mother gifted to her, and she thought of me for Mother's Day when she saw it. It's a ring from the new Mother's Day collection. This is the new Rose in Bloom ring. Absolutely gorgeous. The details of the rose from this collection. This is my first item that I get from this Mother's Day collection. I'm so in love with all the roses. I of course want a few on my collection, but so far I haven't gotten anything yet. So this is my first item. The rose is absolutely gorgeous. The details are perfect. I also love the CCs on the ring. So it has CCs on both sides. But what caught me really by surprise was the thorns of the rose, like you see right there. And they're sort of pokey a bit, which is amazing. I mean, the details are absolutely stunning. In the center here, we read the inscription. Oopsie, it's backward. There you go. It reads S925L. And the size of my ring is 54. It is a little bit, like coming out from the ring. So I guess you can stack it with others. Perhaps I could grab a few and try that on camera for you guys. But look at how pretty the CCs go on the side of the ring as well. Wow, that's beautiful. Here again, the ring on my finger. It looks super cute and dainty. It's a nice size. I really like it. In here, I have brought in a few rings from my collection that are also in size 54 or 7 that I thought it might be nice to stack with, starting with this beauty. This is a rose ring that contains enamel. It is also with a high profile. Beautiful piece, a classic one that many of us have. So I thought I could stack it, of course, with this new Rose in Bloom ring. Ooh, that's so beautiful. Love that. And if I want to add another one, I could perhaps do something like this one. This is one of those birthday rings. It came after the birthday blooms. So there you go. That's another idea of a stack. And it feels pretty comfortable on my finger. Let's try something else. I also have some bands like this radiant heart with the magenta color, and this one from the Pandora Mickey collection. And I thought I could also do a stack with those ones like this, and it also looks really pretty. Let's do it also with the radiant hearts one for different color. Let's do the enamel side, and there you go. Really beautiful as well. I have two bands which are plain silver in size 54 that I thought that they might look okay with this ring. One of them is this one, which I remember it was in a collection a few years ago. It's beautiful, perhaps like that. The band, yes, although it's still size 54, it's a little bit tighter. So as you can see, the ring is a little bit looser compared to that. I think it looks okay. And I have also this heart-to-heart ring that perhaps we could try in case you have any other band like that. Oh, that looks really nice. I feel it's definitely a versatile ring. I also have this one from one of the recent birthday collection as well. Maybe on the side. I mean, the ring is super dainty and cute that you could do, of course, any stack that you wish. So definitely the profile helps for that. And yeah, it's such a beautiful ring, very special now because it's a present from my mom, and I definitely love it. I will now follow up with the unboxing of the item that I purchased with the help of Poppy, Disney Pandora lover. This is a Disney Parks exclusive, and I'm so excited for this. As soon as I saw that this item being released or advertised by Poppy on her site, on her Instagram page, I contacted her because I wanted to get one. So let's see. Oh, this is so cute. This is a true unboxing. Oh, that's so nice. She sent me this Alice Tea Party. I think this is, what is this? Oh, sorry about that. Oh, I think this is one of those bags that you use for the supermarket that you open, big, recyclable one. Oh, I see some like cartoons from Mickey and Minnie. And I see something here, big size. Oh, that's so nice. I don't want to open it because I don't want to disrupt it, but oh, that's so cute. Thank you. Oh, look at this. I don't have any of these big boxes of bracelet with the Disney times Pandora logo. I have gotten bracelets recently. Yeah, fairly recently, like last year. Was it last year? No, 2022. 2022, I got a sliding bracelet, and also, yeah, on summer 2022, I also got the regular moments bracelet, and I didn't got any of these boxes, so this is exciting. Okay, so let me see what's in here. Oh, she grabbed it so nicely, as you can see, with bubble wrap. And how cute is this bubble wrap with hearts and pink? That's nice. Okay, so let's take a look. So yes, it is a bracelet. In case you didn't realize that, it is a bracelet that came up recently on Disney Hong Kong. Oh, let me admire this. Oh wow, it's really nice. Look at the size. Stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Wow. This is the LinaBell times Pandora bracelet, Disney Parks exclusive. And LinaBell, in case you don't know, is one of the cartoon characters created for Hong Kong Disney.
I thought it was super cute and different, and I'm always looking for new bracelets, particularly now for my Disney collection. Look at the flower she has on top of her head. It has purple enamel and 5 petals, and the center of the flower includes a sissy. LinaBell is a cute fox. I will try to see if I can insert a picture here of her. Look at her nose. It's pink with pink enamel. Wow, such much attention to details. Also, her face is beautiful, her eyes, the eyelashes, the mouth, and the fox ears are so perfect and cute. As I showed you before, the bag contains Disney Parks, and it's plain silver on the back. And then there's also a little bit of hair right there. And let's see how we open it. Let's see. It was a bit tight to open it with my nails, and I had them done recently, so I must take care of them, of course. So I had to use a nail clip, and I had to poke in here close to this flower in order to open it, and that's how it opens. It is similar to the Disney 100 bracelet, the Mickey and Minnie Disney 100 bracelet. It was pretty tight, but look at the details on the ear. So nice. I was looking for inscriptions, and there you go, S925A on the inside. So there you go. This is my new LinaBell times Pandora Disney Parks exclusive bracelet. I got the bracelet in my usual size, which is 7.5 when I want to fill a bracelet on 19 centimeters. And that's how it looks on my wrist. It is gorgeous. Well, you guys, that's it for this video. Those are my 2 new Pandora items. The Rose in Bloom ring, which was a gift from my mom for this Mother's Day. And then also the LinaBell times Pandora Disney Parks exclusive bracelet. If you enjoy watching this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I will really appreciate having you here. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Gracias.